Hi everybody, Dr. Hill here from Advanced Animal Care Berea. I am joined by Mr. Moog, and today we're going to talk about caring for your dog's teeth at home.
All right, Dr. Hill and Moog, how often would you say I should brush a dog's teeth?
Yeah, so I get asked that question all the time, and the answer is that unless you're going to commit to brushing your dog's teeth twice a day, every day, then it's really not beneficial to do an occasional brushing here or there. The veterinary dentists do recommend twice daily brushing, which if you're like me, that's hard to fit into my busy schedule. So what I really like to do instead is give things like dental treats or dental chews, or even things like water additives, because then I feel like I'm rewarding my dog with a treat and it's helping take care of their teeth.
Great. So, can dogs get cavities?
They can, in a sense. It's kind of not what you think about, like you or I getting a cavity, and we definitely don't do fillings here. You know, that's what a lot of people get for their cavities at the dentist, but they can get them. We have different ways to manage them, but yeah.
Are there any chew toys that are just as effective at kind of, in quotes, brushing my dog's teeth?
So there's definitely a ton on the market that you can find, and the question is are they as effective? And that brushing action is really helpful, but again, it's one of those things that it has to be used consistently for it to be as efficacious, and you know, there's some that you can put like the toothpaste in and things like that, which we always recommend toothpaste made for pets. We don't want to give them any human toothpaste. But yeah, I feel like if they're used consistently, they can have an effect. Now, some pets may eventually all need a dental cleaning, but it's definitely something worth a try to do at home.
All right, that was my last question. Thank you, Dr. Hill.
You're so welcome.